Want to make your web pages come alive? CSS Keyframe animations let you create smooth, professional animations without a single line of JavaScript. The foundation of CSS animation is the @keyframes rule. You define a named animation by writing @keyframes followed by your animation name. Inside the rule, you specify what styles should change at different points in the animation. Think of it as creating a blueprint that you can reuse on any element. Within your @keyframes rule, you use selectors to define the animation timeline. The simplest approach uses from and to keywords for the start and end states. For more control, use percentage values like 0%, 50%, and 100% to create intermediate steps. This lets you build complex multi-stage animations. Once you've defined your keyframes, apply the animation to an element using the animation name property, or use the shorthand animation property. This connects your element to the keyframes you created. The element will now follow the animation blueprint you defined earlier. To fine-tune your animation, CSS provides several control properties. Animation duration sets how long the animation takes. Timing function controls the pacing, like ease in or linear. Iteration count determines how many times it repeats, and delay adds a pause before starting. Combine these to create exactly the effect you need. Master keyframe animations by defining your keyframes with percentage selectors, applying them with the animation property, and controlling them with duration and timing properties. Practice this in your next project and watch your designs transform. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.